What's going on, Crypto Yang Gang? It's your boy Crypto Yang back in effect here with an ElderHash update. So yesterday I actually missed withdrawing. I didn't even get on. I didn't make any videos or updates or anything. So sorry for the lapse in updates. But today that'll just make for a bigger withdrawal. So just to recap. The first thing I did when I joined up with ElderHash was make a deposit of $50 worth of Bitcoin. That was 0.00581 at the time. As you know, the Bitcoin market is a little on the bear end right now, but we found our bottom at like 6,600. It'll probably be even lower. I think maybe it might go down to 5,000, but that's for another topic in another video. Anyway, when I signed up, it was day one. There were only 12,000 users. There are now 102,000 users, which basically is saying that this thing is going viral. Everyone is finding out about them and seeing that they are paying. I have confirmed that they are paying. They paid 3.5 Bitcoin out so far, and I'm sure they're going to pay me out for my balance that I'm sitting on right now. Anyway, I made a $50 deposit at the time. My withdrawal, I made 2 of them so far. I made one on day 2 and day 3. They both came through, and I have proof of that. If you want to see that, of course, there are videos on that. So today is going to be day 4, but I'm going to be making a withdrawal for day 3 and day 4 as well. So that's why you see right here, this is more than double what it would normally be. Normally it would be a 0.0005 BTC withdrawal, but since I've been holding on to it for so long, I have a larger amount to withdraw. So here we go. Go into the Bitcoin wallet address 14NWY6, as you can see, and I'm going to click on yes, this info is correct, and I'm going to submit my transaction. Boom, it's been submitted, done. You will receive 0.00132416 BTC on the next payout wave. So typically it takes about an hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours for these payouts to be paid out. On the last 2 videos that I made on ElderHash, that's how long it took, about an hour and a half. And then on the second hour, I made a video and I would update you guys on my payout confirmation and proof. I will put another video up tonight showing you the payout confirmation and proof. All right, hopefully they pay me, of course. You know, I mean, at any time these guys can go, but so far so good. So far it's nothing but positive feedback. I've had a couple of people who are actually subscribers that have tested this with me, and they have confirmed in the comments of my last video on ElderHash that this does indeed pay. And as you can see, mine have paid as well. And like I said, there are videos proving that. Anyway, just giving you guys an update on ElderHash. Crypto Yang is signing out. I will be making more videos tonight, so stay tuned. Subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment if you have any questions or concerns about this website, okay? Appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe. You never know when I'm going to do another Ethereum giveaway. I will not announce them on the title, so you got to stay tuned on all my videos and watch them all the way through, because at any time in any video, I could possibly announce one, all right? So just letting you guys know that. Crypto Yang signing out.